What's up everyone, this is Vince with MarvelousMarketing.online, here with another video today on how I add captions to my TikToks and my Instagram Reels. So if you're looking to add captions to both of those platforms, then keep on watching today's video. Before we jump into the material, I want to make sure you already liked the video, you're already subscribed, and you already hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. Now let's get into it. So first and foremost, the reason why you want to add captions to your video is that it helps with engagement. It helps with keeping people longer and watching the video all the way through. So many benefits to actually using it. There's also an aspect of SEO with it where it'll categorize your video when you add captions to the video and push it to more people. So you want to be adding captions. There's so many benefits to it. And according to Facebook videos, I know we're talking about TikTok and Instagram Reels, but according to Facebook, 85% of people don't listen to audio when they're watching videos. They'd rather just watch the video without sound because either they're doing something, maybe they're at work when they shouldn't be watching videos, but maybe they're at work, or maybe they're just in a position at a place where they can't listen to audio. So the way to get people still to watch your entire video is to add captions to it. Adding captions helps with the entire user experience. When you add captions to the video, people are more likely to watch a video all the way through. They're more likely to engage with the video. They're gonna be more captivated what's going on in the video, but they're also reading what's going down. And when Instagram or TikTok realizes that people are watching more of your videos all the way through, they're gonna push it to more and more people. So it helps with virality as well. So as I'm recording this video, I know there was a new TikTok feature that was released that actually adds the caption automatically to your videos. I don't have that, so I've still been adding the captions manually through the app. But I mean, if you're lucky, some people are actually getting that feature already, so you don't even have to do this. But for me, the different processes I've been doing is either adding it manually through the app, using an app called Caption, or even just doing it through my video editing software, Final Cut, where I add it in myself. And I like doing all three of those forms just to kind of get different ways of engaging my audience and seeing what they like more. The first way I'm going to show you is through the app Caption. I'm sure there's more caption adding apps out there, but the one I've used before is called Caption, and it works really, really well. So let's hop into my phone and I'll show you just how it works. Open Caption. So right when you open Caption, there is a video, a portion. So what you do here, you just record your video. You say, hey, my name is Vince. I'm recording this video for YouTube to show how I'm using the Caption app to add some subtitles and captions to my video. There we go. And then you hit the OK check button on the side. Record your video. You say, hey, my name is Vince. I'm recording this video for YouTube to show how I'm using the Caption app to add some subtitles and captions to my video. Record your video. You say, hey. And it's pretty good. It's pretty spot on. The other option you can do is actually add in videos that you've pre-recorded. It'll add it in here. I'm going to add in I've already captioned this other video, but I'm going to add it in here also so you guys can see. Record your video, you say, hey, so when you're engaging and commenting on talking to them, you're building relationships, you're building that trust. People only buy from people that they trust. If you build that relationship and that trust, helping yourself making that sale at the end. So what's going on? It's pretty good at detecting your text and your captions. When you're engaging and let me delete this one. Record your video, you say, hey, what's cool is that, what's cool is that you can actually change the audio, change the position by moving your finger up and down. You hit the edit button, and then, let me turn that down for you guys. You can change the position of where you're putting it when you're in this one. Hold on, let me hit done. You can move the text up into the middle and down. I'm gonna put it below, and then I'm gonna hit edit. And you can change the font. So there's a bar button to make it just a bar in between so there's a little dark piece behind it so people can see that. You can change it to a classic to keep the text big. It changes the size of the text. There's lines, so it sticks out a little bit more. There's pop, so it just pops up. And there's also box, so people can just read along the whole thing. And with each one, you can change the position of it. What kind of sucks is that you can't really change the size too much, but you can change the position so it can either be at the top of the screen, the middle, or the bottom. And then you just hit send. And then you can send to another app or anything like that. The other way I do it is by adding it through my video editing software, and that's just a whole different process, but I'll put up one of the videos right now that I've added captions to through my video editing software, Final Cut.
What kind of content should you be creating? Only way to really figure that out, put a lot of content out there. It's quantity over quality. Don't be too worried if something isn't perfect. You have to put out everything to figure out what's bad and then what's good.
And the reason I like doing this one too is because you can really go in and customize the fonts. Pick a font that you like, really pick the position where you want to put it in. You can emphasize words. It just kind of makes the video more captivating, because you're not stuck with, like in the Caption app, the position or just how the words look. You can completely change it up for you, and you can even make it your brand colors to really make it what you wanted to make it. I like doing that, and I've been doing a lot of that recently just because it's easier for me. When I get in the flow of editing videos, it's just easy to add, easy to make different, and I want my videos to stick out amongst the crowd, so I don't want to use something that everybody else is using. I want to make it my own, and by doing that, I'm able to kind of stick out a little bit more, and you expect a certain quality and a certain type of video from me, and I'm able to provide that just because I'm making it my way instead of using an app to do it. And the last way I want to show you is adding it manually through the app, the TikTok app, or just the Instagram Reels app as well. And it's the same process between both. Let me open up the TikTok app, get it going. Kind of the same process here. I'm going to start by recording this and saying, yo, what's going on? I'm recording this video for YouTube to show how I add captions to this video manually. So this is what I'm doing. So I hit text. Hey, what's going on?
Yo, what's going on? I'm recording this video for YouTube to show
I'm recording this video for YouTube. So what I'll do is I'll set duration, and I'll say for YouTube. So I'll stop right where I wrote out all the words on the bottom, and I said right where it says YouTube, the last word that I wrote out, I stop it there, change the duration, hit OK. Add captions to this video manually. Okay. And then you can click it, and then you could hit edit or set duration, and I'm going to set the duration right here. Right when that ends, that's what it said. Manually. Okay, then it stops. Well, you can also edit it, and you can make it completely different. So you can change the color, hit the little A on the side to kind of change the kind of font type. You can add a background to it, make it a little bit more, decrease the opacity on there, make it handwriting, neon, serif. TikTok has a bunch of different fonts that you can pick from, so it's really cool. You hit done. And then you just basically change the duration in the video, so you can start the text, the subtitles, right when you're saying something, and stop it when you're done saying that thing. Then you just hit next, and then you post the video. And it's pretty much the same thing for Instagram Reels. We're going to come to the front. I'm going to record this saying, this is the video that I'm showing how to add captions for YouTube. Here it is right now. Then I'm going to hit edit. This is the video that I'm showing to add captions. For YouTube, here it is right now. And then you hit the text again for YouTube, right. Oops, can't spell today, right now. And then like this one, you can change the font, you can change the color. But what's really important is changing the duration. So the difference between this is that you click, you don't have to click out. It doesn't change the screen at all. You just adjust it at the bottom of the screen. There's like a little bar that you pick. So add captions, that ends there. Then I hit done. So that'll stop it there. And then for YouTube, right now. Okay, I didn't write out all the words, but you get the idea. This is the video that I'm showing how to add captions for YouTube. Right. Here it is right now. There we go. So it just highlights it on the bottom, which caption it's currently showing at that time. That's basically how I do it, how I add captions to my TikToks and my Instagram Reels. Like I said before, you just gotta pick something that works from you and start doing it, because TikTok and both Instagram Reel, they both favor adding captions to the videos. So they realize that, hey, you're adding captions to the videos and more people are watching it because of that. They're gonna push it to more and more people. So you're gonna get more people that are actually gonna like your stuff and find you just because you're adding those captions to the video. So there's a bunch of benefits to it. I know it's tedious. It takes a little bit longer to post a video, but that's why, like in my previous video, I mentioned just batch everything up and do these ahead of time. So you don't have to worry about posting, okay, I have to post at 3 p.m. So I have to get this out at 2:30, I'm working on it and stuff. No, you plan it out ahead of time, make it easier on yourself, and add those captions, because that's what's gonna help push you to more and more people and grow your brand on social media. So I just released my new program called Dig, Dominate Instagram, where I'm helping new business owners and people who are really trying to understand Instagram to grow on the platform, grow their business and their brand on the platform. So if that's something that you're interested in, send me an email. I'll put it down below in the description box. Go ahead and type that in, send me a message, say, hey, join your program called Dig. I'll send you the first lesson for free. Send me an email right now. Email will be in the description box below. Make sure you check me out on TikTok and Instagram Reels as well, at @marvelousmarketing_ on both platforms, so you can just look me up on there and you'll find my stuff. So before I end today's video, I wanna make sure you already liked it, you're subscribed of course, and you already hit the bell notification, because I want you to know every single time I drop a video. So all those 3 things, so you're notified and you're aware. Thanks for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Follow along. I release a lot of good tips on those platforms, a lot of quick tips for you to learn from and you to grow your brand and your business online. So check it out. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget, be marvelous.